shopping around in like this touristy market area. Huh? On est où là? Where are we?
Playa del Carmen, Playa del Carmen.
So the water's not that great. There's a lot of algae. Max 20 minutes là si on est lent.
Pasando el muelle de la fase 1. Une chance qu'ils ont enlevé le détecteur de... Je peux pas dire que je l'ai volé là. Dans le coup.
So we've been walking around for a while, kind of lost. Don't know where we're going. Still looking for the family friend. They said it's through, some security guard said it's through there. So, and there we go. Maybe we won't come out, we'll see. Person that we're still looking for. It's been a while. We stopped by the beach to swim a little bit. Now we're in a secluded area, gated area. There you go. That's the word. And we see these pretty good looking houses like this. Dang. I don't know how many millions of pesos that is, but it's pretty sick. What? Woof. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a gym inside. There's a bike, there's a bench, there's a few weights. And we can't see very well, but there's a pool in the back. Pretty cool. So far today we've done a lot of walking because there's two ladies here who like to stop at every shop. And me and my little brother-in-law Jacob have been suffering all this time. But we got to enjoy the beach. There were a lot of waves, but hey, that makes for more fun. So right now we're headed for a villa where we're gonna meet the family friend. Her name is Vianney, and I don't know, hopefully we're gonna have some food because I'm starting to be hungry. Looks like we made it. Dépêche-toi, Jacob. Après tout ce travail-là, on est là. Wow. Sí, está medio maluco por aquí. So we found them, and you get to see what it's like if you rent a villa. Ooh, there is a pool somewhere.